I'm back to learn Gimp in year day 13. Let me show you how you can delete, duplicate and merge layers. In the last video I've shown you can import images, just drag and drop them here and they will be added as new layers. You can double click on the name and then rename it. Or as a typo. So just double click, for example here in the background I call it PG. You can use the X right here to delete it. Then we press Ctrl Z. And if I paint on it, you can see I paint on the specific layer. Then we press Ctrl Z. I switch to the background layer and I paint again. So just as a summary of what we've covered so far. You can also create text elements as new layers. Just use the A right here, which is the text tool. Then left click on your canvas and you can type something in. We're going to go over the details of this tool in future videos. But now we have 3 layers. You can make them visible, invisible. And there are also these arrows down here. And these can be used to adjust the stacking order. So you can bring the text to the bottom or back up. And then you can see it again. Same goes obviously for the image and the background as well. In principle, the stacking order here exactly shows you what's on top on the canvas. We also have a duplicate option right here where you can duplicate layers. That can be helpful, for example, when you have an image, let me call that original, then you duplicate it and you work on the copy. Let us say we go to colors, saturation and then desaturate it. And below you still have the original, for example, to compare it, but sometimes also as a backup. So you make some adjustments to it and you see that you've messed up. So it would be good to have the original back, and therefore it's always a good idea to just duplicate your images and then work on the copies and keep the original as a backup. Finally, we have this merge function right here, and this always merges down. For now, the image and the background are detached, so you can drag them around individually. But if I use the merge option on the image, it gets merged with the white background, and now I can only reposition both at the same time as they're now connected. Merging only works downwards, so I cannot merge the background as it's the lowest layer. I can only merge the top layer, and it merges one step at a time. So you can see that here it merges only with the direct layer that's below. So if I want to merge them all here, I have to use this function a couple of times. And this I can delete, duplicate and merge layers in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.